Today we're going to be making blueberry muffins. I used to sell these in my restaurant. You can freeze them after they're baked and they're great. So we're going to put in 3 cups of flour. One and a half cups of sugar. Teaspoon of salt, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, and incorporate all that baking powder and salt and sugar. 2/3 cup of cooking oil. This already has a nice little measuring cup. 2 eggs. And 1 cup of milk. Alright, now we're going to mix it up. I bought a 10-ounce bag of frozen blueberries. These are nice and small. I took a few, maybe half a cup, and thawed it out and put it in there. So pour that in there. I like mine to look a little purpley. And then I'm going to put the rest of the bag in. And we'll mix it up just till it's mixed. If you don't have a scoop, you can use the old 2-spoon method. This one's really purpley. Should make 12 large muffins, filled about 2/3 full. If you have a topping, I'm going to make right after this and sprinkle the topping on top. A cup of flour.
And what's this going to be?
The topping. Mix this up. And then I put in some cinnamon. I like cinnamon. A couple teaspoons. Cold butter. Do it till about the size of whatever small peas. Sprinkle this on top of them. Makes for a nice crunchy topping. kind of tricky to bake because it takes them a while to make sure. You have to just keep checking them. And then even when you're done, they may not, the center ones may not, but they'll still be good. All right, now we're gonna put them in the oven. Here for about 30 to 35 minutes. And I do an internal temperature check to see if the insides are done for sure, and that should be about 210 degrees. All right, set the timer. They're ready. Mission accomplished. They're done. Internal temp is 215 and no sticky residue on it, so we'll eat them as soon as they cool off. We'll try it out.
Now there's some good looking muffins. Yum. Blueberry muffins, you gotta have some of the sparkly water to drink with them. They're almost ready. It's gonna come out of the oven pretty soon. Now comes the real test. Will this stuff be good? What do you think, hon?
Well, they certainly look good. Let's see why not. I've made them a whole lot of times.
Ugh. Too bad this isn't smell-o-vision, guys. Because it really smells good. I can smell the blueberries. And the butter just melts like butter. First taste test. Good stuff.
It's very good.
Karen has done it again. The cook.
Have fun trying it.
We'll see you again next time. Bye-bye. Say goodbye.
Bye-bye.